Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Time for today's video, and what the heck? What did that happen? Oh no. Time for today's video, so I have this pulled up here, our game thing that we made yesterday. I didn't give you guys any challenges yesterday because yesterday's was pretty easy, and just in general there wasn't enough stuff to give you a challenge on, but today there will be. So, today's video, as you saw from the title, is the infinite apple problem. The reason why it's called that is quite simply because whenever I play this game, there's too many apples. It's going to make it so that scoring is way too easy, because I think the goal of the game should be to get to 100 points, and that seems pretty easy to get to right now. So we need to make a way for there to be like some sort of stop. So we're going to be using operators, sensing, and variables mainly for today's video. So how about we do this? We do something like this. We're gonna make a new variable, apples on screen, but we can't see it. This variable right here is going to be used for detecting how many apples are on screen, so we can use an operator to make sure that it's lower than that. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take out the create clone of myself from scoring. We're going to put in an if block. Then we put in our create clone of myself. From there, go to operators, and we do this. Wait, we need a different kind of if block. We need an we need that block. So we need an if blank then block here, and what we're going to do is we're going to put in our operator something. We need the operator in general to be something less than something, and what we're going to do is we're going to go down to variables and take out this block right here, apples on screen, and put that there. From there, we can lower this number to however many we want. I'm going to say 5 is lower than 5, then create clone of myself. That way, whenever we have more than the amount of apples, it doesn't create a clone of myself. But how are we going to make sure that it counts the apples on screen? Well, here's an idea. So, if touching cat, then change apples on screen by 1. Okay. Well, then this happens. Once we get to, well, I just failed there, but once we get to 5 apples on screen, like the variable, there won't be any more clones. Pretty sure. Yep, it's just making 1 now, each time. And that's okay. Wait, makes it go, that makes it stay at 4. So, what we're going to do is set this to 0, and so that makes it so that there can only be a total, change score by 1. We're going to set apples on screen to 0 at the start. That's what I meant. So now that we have a set apples on screen to 0 at the start, we are going to have a total of 5 apples on the screen possible at all times. This gets rid of our infinite apple problem. So now I have a challenge for you guys. To use your newfound knowledge of operators to make a system for there to be more than one spider based off of time. Guess I'll see you guys again in the next video. That's actually what next video is going to be about. So, yes. Goodbye.